Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Sermo Physician Network app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Sermo is a global physician-only network designed for licensed doctors to discuss real clinical cases, share treatment experiences, and connect with peers across different specialties. It provides verified medical professionals a secure space to exchange insights, participate in medical polls, and access real-world data from other practitioners. The app is available on both iOS and Android and focuses on professional collaboration within the medical community. The app's main feature is its case discussion system. Doctors can anonymously post de-identified patient cases to get input from other physicians around the world. It also includes specialty forums, research polls, peer insights, and a global conversation feed that helps clinicians stay updated on medical trends and treatment approaches. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many physicians appreciate the platform for its global reach, practical clinical advice, and the ability to connect with doctors from multiple specialties. The anonymous posting feature helps users openly discuss challenging cases without privacy concerns. Medical polls and real-world treatment data are also valued for keeping clinicians informed. However, there are some drawbacks. The verification process can take time, limiting immediate access for new users. Some discussions may vary in depth or quality depending on the contributors. Certain features or resources may be region-restricted, and the platform's usefulness largely depends on active participation from the physician community. In summary, the Sermo app may be worth using if you want a dedicated physician network for clinical insights, global medical discussions, and peer-supported decision-making. However, if you're looking for structured CME courses or formal medical guidelines, the app might not fully meet those needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.